Hi fam, Random Chick here, and guess who's here, guys? It is officially here, and I got doll 0937, and we're going to be doing an unboxing on it. So, yeah, let's go ahead and cut into the top of the box. Okay, so instead of cutting into the top of the box, I'm going to cut into the bottom of the box because I don't want to reveal my address to anybody. So let me go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so I did want to show just how good this thing is packaged. This is the top of the box. And as you can see, I removed this piece and put it over here. You can see just how good that this is packaged. I love the fact that they use these little black plastic like corner pieces so that your box doesn't get damaged at all. And they also lined it all the way down. There's a black corner piece on this side, and there should be two more down there. Yep. Okay, so that is how it come boxed. So let's go ahead and get it out. So upon opening him and taking him out, he is sitting on a bed, so it does look a lot bigger, but he is huge. So upon taking him out of the box, this is what I'm seeing in the beginning. I'm going to go ahead and remove this plastic and show you every side of the box. Okay fam, so I am sorry for the long camera shot, but the sideways just wasn't catching the whole thing. So upon removing the plastic, this is what I am seeing. This down here is the logos of the front of the box. I'm absolutely blew away by this. I cannot wait to take him out of this box. And he is huge. I mean, the size of him is huge. I did not picture this doll to be this huge. This doll is huge. And so yeah, let's go ahead and flip the box around. So here is one side of the box. It says, "Good guys, he wants you for a best friend. He can be a construction worker, a brave Indian, or a fearless fireman." I'm obsessed. This is crazy. Okay, now let me show you the back of the box. So on the back, it is the official doll off of the van. Brilliant. I mean, this is so screen accurate. I am loving it. And then down here, it says, "Hi, I'm a good guy. Let's play." It's got his little feet. Now let me show you the last side of the box. So up on this side, you've got good guys. He wants you for a best friend. He could be a cowboy, a soldier, a courageous soldier, whatever, a soldier, okay? And then he could be a doctor, and then a baseball player, a superstar baseball player. This is amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get into this. So I'm gonna start to open it again. I'm probably gonna open it from the top. I've seen a lot of people opening theirs from the bottom, but over time, if you keep on opening it from the bottom will not withstand anymore. So I am definitely gonna open mine from the top. So I just now got it to where I opened the top of the box, and I did want to show my number if it will show. I don't think it's going to show because of the glare from the light, but my number is 937 out of 1,750. There it goes. Now you can see. I didn't see a lot of people showing their number, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. So yeah. So here he is, looking all dead and stuff until I get him out. But a lot of people was complaining about the logos. I think the logo on mine looks fine. They're complaining because it's supposed to be up more, but that's for a whole another video. He is, however, in here very, very well. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. I'll flip the box over and show you how well he is in here. There's a plastic band that is really tight going around here, down here. There's those little tie-ins. On his wrist, there's tie-ins. His neck has a plastic deal on it. So yeah, let's flip it over and see what we're working with. So what I'm going to do, because I'm doing all this one-handed, so I'm sorry if I don't show you me actually opening the entire Kit Kaboom. But as you can see, there's a little tie here, a tie there, another tie up here, one right here. There's a full view of it. Then there's all this tape, more like that plastic thing around his neck and his waistline. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all of this and get him out. Okay, fam, so here he is. I don't have the hair situated. I did take off the hairnet. He had a hairnet on. So, yeah. So here he is, and I will be doing a full review on him. I will be explaining from the makeup, the hair, the shoes, the clothes, everything. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and be on the lookout for my review video. Thanks.